Boy, you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope.
Welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys, and thank you for tuning in. And my name is Shelly, and today we're gonna do something that a video on something that I really love, which is shopping. So if you're interested in seeing how I save really over 50% by shopping at the Gucci Premium Outlet, stay tuned. So anybody who knows me knows that I really love to shop. But as I've gotten a little bit older and wiser, I've realized how to find some deals. So when I go on vacation, depending on where I'm going, I always search to see if there's a premium outlet. So I've hit up premium outlets in New York, of course, because that's where I'm from, which is Woodbury. And I've also gone to the premium outlets in Florida. I believe there is one in Miami, and I think there's one in Orlando. So this time I went to the Gucci Premium Outlet in Texas. So I flew into Houston for New Year's, actually, and I decided to rent a car just so I could drive to the outlet, which is about maybe a little more than 2.5 hours away, but it was definitely worth the drive. It's a lot closer if you are staying in Austin or in Dallas. But yeah, I got some really great stuff. Almost all of it was 50% off or more, and I wanted to share them with you. So let's get started. So the first item, we'll start small, I guess, that I picked up. I walked past a few times. I saw them and I was like, I don't really need them, but I need them. But I don't really need more of anything, right? When it comes to shopping. So I'll start with my first item. And I said to myself, this is just an accessory. Sometimes outfits are made with accessories. Like you put on that little black dress and you put on your heels, your boots, or your sneakers, depending on what style you're going for, and then you add an accessory. So let's start. You ready? When I saw these, it was definitely, I was like, I have to have them. I tried to escape it, but I had to have them. Now imagine you're wearing your outfit, it's cold, but you still want to be able to use your phone, so you pull out these. And the best part of it is the green and the red that Gucci is famous for. But can you imagine this with your outfit? I picked these up and I was like, they're so cute. Now, if you live in one of the hotter states where you don't really wear gloves, these can definitely be a huge fashion accessory. But I love them. I had to have them. And I got these. That's the first item. The second item that I picked up, actually, I remember when it was released years ago, but I said to myself, what are you going to do with that? Because I'm not really, I used to be a big bag girl. And then I slowly became a crossbody girl. And then I turned into a fanny pack girl when LV released their bum bag. So when I saw this item, I said to myself, I don't know. But then I thought, now that I'm an influencer, I could use this item to carry around some things. So let's open it up. And for the people who've been shopping for a while with Gucci, you'll probably remember when this was released. If I told you that I got this bag for a little over $200, would you believe me? Yes. I'm sure when this dropped, this pouch retailed for over $1,000, I want to say. It's nice. It's a nice size. It's sizable. These are the papers that came with it. There's a suede on the inside. It's a pretty cream. What I plan to use it for is I might carry it with me on vacations, but more so I'm planning to put my iPad in here. I'm planning to carry my camera in here and some of my other accessories, something that I can just kind of throw into one of my other bags, because I have some bags that are just open. Because remember I said I have a lot of big bags, so I could use this for that. And I said for the price, how could I go wrong? So this is the second item that I got. And at this point I was just like, you know what, things are going really well. Then I walked around some more. Anybody who knows me knows that I love a good sunglass. And because I have such a round face, I feel like it's very difficult for me to get sunglasses. So what I decided to do is to kind of, through trial and error, I figured out what was my style. And when I walked past these, I said, it looks like I'm on safari. Is that an animal? Is that an animal I see? And that was when I decided to get these. So let's see. And you tell me if you love them. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. You see it? It matches my shirt. Can you see it? These are beautiful. Can you see the details? Can you see it? It has like a python trimming on the side. It has the GG here and the GG on this side, and they're oversized, and I love them. I feel like I look smart, like they make me feel like I'm intelligent, and they are definitely a statement piece. Like before you see me and this here, of course, right? You see these glasses. I love them so much. I think I got these for $100 and some odd. Definitely under $200. And when I saw these were, I think they had one on display and one more in the back. So I said, please give me the one in the back, because you know sometimes the one on display comes with some defects, and I was like, absolutely not. I love them. So then you think I would see that and say, you know what, I don't need anything else. But I didn't. I saw another pair of shades. These were a little bit more, but I wanted these for a long time. But I never saw them in store. I only saw them online. I believe, was it Sensei, or I forgot which online retailer it was. But I need to try things on. And I'm the type of person sometimes that buys things, and because I don't know what it is, but I just don't return things. I forget the date to return it past, and I don't like. So when I saw these in store, I was like, I have to try them on. So are you guys ready? I don't know if you guys can see. Let me get a little closer so you guys can see. Do you see this GG? So these actually have a green tint to them. I've worn them. I wore them as soon as I got them. They don't block the sun. They don't block the sun at all. But when I put them on, everybody said, oh my God, I love your glasses. I love your glasses. I need your glasses. Where'd you get these glasses from? And oh, I got some makeup on it. But these, honey, these are the #1 stunners. #1 stunners. If you can still find these for resale somewhere, it definitely worth your money. I can't wait. I was able to wear these out in Houston because, of course, it was still warm there. But in New York, they'll be waiting for summer. And I really like how they have these huge oversized. At first I didn't like them, but now I love them. It's grown on me. These suede cases that Gucci uses. Sorry guys, I wasn't even paying attention and I ran out of space on my card. So yeah, let's get back to this last item. So these spoke to me. I used to be a heel wearer. I mean, I have red bottoms that I've worn, and I've had red bottoms that have never touched the ground. And that's when I had to make the executive decision, due to the fact that I feel like nursing ruined my feet. That I needed to invest in more comfortable, a more comfortable variety of shoes. So that started to include sneakers. So I've done an unboxing before for some Jordan 1s, but sometimes I wear luxury sneakers as well. So when I saw these, anybody who knows me knows that I'm a bling bling, bling bling, can you see me type of girl. I saw these. Now I know they may not, but I am telling you, these are beautiful. This one still has the thing on it. Let me show you the other one. I got these, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but it glitters. So they came in a men's version and a female's version, but I decided to get the male version because the female version came with like flowers and stuff around here, and I kind of was just like, no, I'm not really looking to do that. So I got these. I'm going to insert some video of them on my feet. But these look so good on my feet. And I feel like you can dress these up a little bit because they do sparkle. And at night or in a dimmer light, they are fabulous. When I say fabulous, fabulous. I love them. So in total, for these 5 items at Gucci, which are the 2 shades, the 2 sunglasses, the pair of sneakers, the bag, and the glove, I spent about $1,500, which in Gucci for 5 items, that is a steal. When I tell you a steal, a steal. So I tell you guys, when you are planning your trips, when you're deciding to go away, take the time out, if you are staying long enough to go a little bit off the beaten path, to go and figure out what's in the neighborhood. Like, where can I go? Where are the sales? Where are the finds? Where are the things? Because you save so much more in the long run. Living in New York, I feel like everything, I say this all the time, is always gone. Like, you would never be able to find these items in Woodbury at the premium outlet. You have to have an SA who is calling you at home, sending you pics like, do you like these? This is what we got in shipment. Do you want? Because otherwise, it's gone. It literally is gone. Like, if somebody buys something there on Monday, they tell you on Tuesday you need to be in your car driving out to Woodbury to get those things. So when I went out to Texas and I was able to find these items, I was so excited. So I figured I would get on here and show you guys, so that if you're ever in Texas and you ever are close or feel like taking a drive, it is worth it. It is worth it to go out to the Gucci Premium Outlet in Texas. Okay, guys? So this is my premium outlet unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you again in my next video. Until next time, it's your girl Shelly. Stay blessed.